Bye bye. Oy, babae! Ready na? Let's go.
Ay, ulan! Matang blin na mo ba, ma'am?
Wow, the best road in the Philippines is here in Pariados in Dacorong City.
Go slowly lang.
Slowly gani. You cannot go fast. If you go fast, you must have aeroplano. Yeah. Yeah, very easy lang if you have money. If I have money, it's also very easy to make a house. But I don't have money, that's why I need 500 followers. So like and share and subscribe. Do not subscribe, it's not YouTube. Just follow lang. Look at the crowd, eh? So there is, I think, 3 quarries now. Huh? And
Slowly ka na, hindi ka mag-agis ang buslat.
yeah, I did not see it. It was so small but so terrible.
Yeah.
Almost like you.
Do not walk on the terrible things.
What? Do not walk on the terrible things?
Yeah.
Oh no, what's going on here? At least it's wet, it's not dry, because if it's dry, then it's no, it just you will slide easily. But if it's wet like this, it's compact. So that's the entrance of that other quarry now.
I don't know what that smell in their house.
It's I don't want to tell because I'm recording right now.
Okay. Okay. It's very dangerous place.
Look at that. Oh,
It's just like
I think I need to go here.
motocross.
Yeah.
It's a
Oh.
motocross.
Maybe if I will come here, I need to buy another Rosie.
Yeah. Do not in the bush.
I cannot go there because there is small girl. I was just scratching my nose. Because you don't scratch my nose, diba? Same. Can you imagine if you have a tricycle like that and then you have pasahero?
Yeah. It will also.
Me, especially because my head is on the ceiling all the time.
Smell amoy, buba, amoy. Amoy.
African?
No. Bulat.
You don't like bulat?
I like, but you don't like. Oh, slowly lang.
Don't worry, I have a plan. Slowly, slowly.
Where is the hole? You cannot see the hole. Oh, you are on the hole. Agay.
You talk properly. Why you talk like?
Oh no! My lubot is stand up. Oy.
Your foot stand up. What about your legs?
Stand up also. Oy.
Eh,
Oy. What kind of road is this? Only in the Philippines. Ano drabang dito mo? Agi sa buslat.
It's water here. I want to wash my motor. I want to make this trip fun, so that's why I go to Puslot. My hands are already tired because I have to hold so very hard. Yeah.
Because if you will not hold very hard, then I will fly away.
No, you need to hold very hard so you don't fly away, not me. You want to go up here? Uphill?
No, it's not a motocross. Oh. Because of the big truck bar.
Yes, because they always use the free supplies, that sand, they will just come and trap it, but actually they need to use gravel. But you know, who is the owner here, Mangudadato?
No, this is a private property.
No, but diba one boss is Mangudadato, no?
See,
Am I wrong or right?
wrong.
Okay, I'm wrong. I was thinking it's Mangon Dadato.
No.
Woo! I'm tired now. Let's go back. Do you smell that?
Yeah, it's coconut. That's
Ruby. That's Compras.
yeah,
Compras.
right.
But that Compras already very old. So where is that crossing now? Where? Over in that side?
Yeah.
Whew. Still alive.
My car washed no ila.
Yeah, but they are inside, no? They are not here. Let's go slowly.
Big store and car.
Big store. Boarding house. Right there, oh. Big store, oh. Oh, that's that protection center. You can protect your crops here. Every time it's all about harvesting, you bring your crops here, they are well protected. And then what is that place? Bureau of Plant Industry. Okay. Put now some music because we're starting to pick up, and then I will talk to you later. Ha? Okay, bye. I think that's the six-wheeler that went out before. It's very cold here. Yeah. Where? We will ask. Yes. Ayo.
Ayo.
Not here?
Dito, pala daw.
Where?
Salamat! Unahan to pa wala. Sige po. Ato may ano, may motor nagsulod. Okay. Thank you.
The checkpoint sign. That's the checkpoint sign maybe that he was talking about. Bravo, ito na sign, no? Checkpoint. Oh. No, actually there was a sign. Army checkpoint. I saw before. Very good sign.
Ba siya mo to? First man daw. Mahinay lang.
Hinay gan eh. Pong Revilla.
Itong may pulis ko. Magulang may pinipili.
Oh, kawawa.
Oh, tanan
Ay,
mo.
nako.
Tanan talaga.
Oh, my kulay.
Mahirapan.
All, oh. All.
Ano
Damage.
to? Nang damo buhangi. Ay, damo baras ko.
Maybe,
Pag i-harvest na sa harvester. Hindi pa ginuto pa, oh. Hindi pa kayo luto.
Gani,
Wala
very
pa.
green.
Pero, you know, in China, they will do like that the other way.
Why?
Para hindi siya maglata ang sila. Ay, matubuan mo muna.
You ask that kuya.
Boss, morning. Din pala ni Queenie Puntibilla. Unahan
May
pa?
tindahan.
Dito sa
Ato
unahan.
to may malam nga gabi dito dra.
Okay.
Ah.
Salamat.
Ano? Ano? Sabi niya takol, di ba? I was expecting very big. So where is the car wash?
Araw? May araw gulo-gulo.
Oo. Yung ano.